Nature has the power to do something. It will devastate, challenge, and reclaim, but also maintain its air of wonder. Its beauty cannot be denied. Of all the things that humans desire, agency might be what we want most. Perhaps that's why we're so taken by nature. We see something admirable in the wild that escapes us. And while mankind will occasionally stand victors in battle, nature will win the war. It will never be so captivated by us as we are by it.
In defining the effects of power by repression, one identifies power with a law that says no. Now, I believe that this is a wholly negative, narrow, and skeptical conception of power. If power was never anything but repressive, if it never did anything but say no, do you really believe that we should manage to obey it? What gives power its hold, what makes it accepted, is quite simply the fact that it does not simply weigh like a force which says no, but it runs through, and it produces things, it induces pleasure, it forms knowledge, it produces discourse. It must be considered a productive network which runs through the entire social body, much more than a negative instance whose function is repressive. Power and Knowledge, Michael Foucault.